Welcome to Dirty South Dumpsters, your trusted partner for dumpster rentals in Little Rock, Arkansas. Whether you're tackling a major home renovation, cleaning out years of clutter, or managing a large-scale construction project, we've got you covered. At Dirty South Dumpsters, we offer many dumpster sizes to fit any job. No project is too big or too small for us. Our team of experts is here to help you choose the perfect dumpster for your needs, ensuring you get the right size and service every time. With prompt delivery and pickup, we make the process seamless so you can focus on what matters, your project. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. Our reliable and efficient service has made us the go-to choice for dumpster rentals. We are committed to environmental responsibility. At Dirty South Dumpsters, we ensure that your waste is disposed of properly and recycled whenever possible, contributing to a cleaner, greener Little Rock. From start to finish, our process is designed to be hassle-free and efficient. Call us once your dumpster is complete, we'll take care of the rest. Ready to get started? Call us at 501-426-0837 for all your dumpster rental needs, or visit our website at www.dirtysouthdumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental Little Rock AR. Dirty South Dumpsters, keeping Little Rock clean, one dumpster at a time.